Well, I waited to do this when it was warm. Waited. Why not do it in the snow? We're getting a foot of snow right now.
Hey, Poncho.
Your hole is my goal. Safety first here at the Back9. Getting ready to open. Maybe. What if we are? Maybe we aren't. Who knows? But we're gonna get this thing, all the oil and fluids changed in it quick. It's a lease machine. I'm pretty sure that Cleveland Brothers was supposed to do it. It's a lease to own machine. I'm pretty sure that Cleveland Brothers is supposed to be doing this, but they said the only thing you got in your package was oil filters. So I got all the filters and I'm gonna do it myself. So let's see how this one goes. Thanks, Cleveland Brothers, we appreciate you.
You have to climb under here. Fuck it. It's all the way up under here, I think.
I should have grabbed my impact. I don't know why I didn't do that. I'm doing it like the Amish did it.
Amish have dozers?
Yeah. If it's for work, you're allowed to do it. And it's not rubber tires, it's steel tracks.
Oh yeah, it's a loophole.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they have iPhones too. Like when this plate falls, you want to use your head so it doesn't scratch the paint, so kind of cushion it with your face normally.
Gotcha.
It's also really good to lay under it and make sure you get all the dirt in your eyes. Okay, so this was definitely the wrong plate.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. I think this is... Here,
I can't very well see up in there, but...
That's the drain. Yeah, okay. Here, I'll take a camera. Look, here's the drain. And all the way up there, I just need to finger that. Turn it. And then I gotta get these drain pans in here.
Oh, great. Now they can see what I look like in the angle I'm filming at.
Need pliers. Luckily, my cameraman can't get them for me. He has to film me clawing out and gotta go.
Cameraman don't help.
Back into the belly she goes. I signed the waiver. And it turns out if I'm dead, I can't sue.
Oh, is that how that works?
Yeah. No, I'm kidding. Ah! What's happening?
Something's draining. And that looks red.
Yeah. Generally, if you fill the hydraulic fluid up with diesel fuel, that's the color you get. I've changed it. This is the third time I've changed it. That's alright, we'll be here for a while. There's only 20 gallons. 31 spots left, and you can get this Honda CR 450R Works Edition. It's a 2023, and it's fast as f***. Get your chance to win $100 here at the Back9 MX. Help save the track. That'll work. This actually helps rust resist the barrel if you dump the oil on the top of it and not in the hole.
Do you always miss the hole?
Your hole is my goal.
Hell yeah.
How are you? Did you get your hair cut off? You cut all your hair off. You look like a totally different fella. Let's go. Oh yeah, we're gonna do some stunts. We may be closed to motocross, but not snowcross.
This one you could probably do.
This one?
The red one,
Yeah, this thing's sick!
Can you talk me through what each one is really quickly?
Yeah,
This
sure.
is a snowmobile. It rides in the snow. It's got room for the bitches in the back. And this is for seat grabs, other stunts. Like, you know, like you go off and go, shh. And, yeah, so this is that one. This one. This one does wheelies, but it has no wheels, so it does trackies. This one's fast as in the woods. I don't know anything about it. This is sick.
So this is your Skidoo free ride. This is it's got the big paddles on it. This is for your deep powder, out in being a degenerate out in the woods. So then this one, this is an old man sled. It's a 1200 4-stroke with the, it has a really thing right here, so you don't hit your on it. This one back here, it's another 1200. But this one's a little bit cooler because it has a little bit more colors on it. But that's about it. This one does wheelies though, so it's pretty cool.
Cool.
You want to balance that for me?
Ooh.
Nice and slippery.
Somewhere in a manual, there's a picture of what you're doing with a circle and a line through it.
We might be good. Looks full.
Can't see in there. Hey, Poncho. What's up, buddy?
We are going to pick the boys up from Shawnee Mountain. We got about a foot of snow, so we're taking the new Can Ams. Gonna break them in, go rescue them from the snowboard mountain in style. And I'm all kitted and warm. We were peasants and didn't get the enclosed cabs, but it's all right. They're all should be. Camera's rolling, so.
I got this one.
You guys ready to rip?
Ready to go.
Did you get gas?
Yeah. You ready? Are you gonna follow us?
Yeah, are we in four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive?
Four wheel.
The whole time?
Pretty much. You can lock the rear diff too. Should we give them the camera to follow us at first?
Nah.
Here, just pass it. This is gonna be fun. Oh, you better pass them. Can you believe they gave us these for only $360 a month?
Nah, man. You want to give a shout out?
Crossroads Power Sports hooked us up. Let's just wait for these guys.
You know, there's one upgrade that might be worth the investment.
The windshield, we ordered it.
Okay.
Come down to the front. Come down to the front. We're picking you up. Okay, be there in 1 minute.
Oh, jeepers. This thing's still going? Hell yeah. I can't feel my fingers. I'll call him back.
You boys need a ride? How many is there?
Hi. Yo. Oh, they got the message. No. I'd grab that key. Out there. Whoop. A little lethargic. Wave to the guy in the skid steer.
We're gonna drift around them.
Oh my gosh.